Hello everyone. So today this is what we are going to work on. So here you can see when I go to the map, this is the main map, and also here we have the mini map. So in both these maps, what we see is just an automatically captured image that we have captured using this map manager blueprint that we have created. It captures an image from the top view into this render target. So what I want to do now is implement in a way to override this image with the image that we may have created with some external software like Photoshop. So I'm going to show you how to replace this captured image with that. So we will define it in the blueprint itself. So you will have option to either use the captured image or an external image. So here when you go to the map, you will have things like text written on it or other drawings, so maybe a totally different style instead of having this default style that you get by capturing the image. So before we get started, here is the full playlist of this series. Feel free to take a look. Everything is explained here from scratch, things you see here, and also from my Patreon page you can download everything. So once you become a member, you can access not just this project. There are over 2000 videos in my channel, and for each video project files are available and you can download them. Alright, now here, let's get back to today's episode. So first thing is, let me open this map manager blueprint, and here I'll add a new variable, static map image. I'll change this to texture get reference, and I have created an image for this one here. I just changed the colors a little bit and added built-in B, built-in A text, so it's just for demonstration. Now here I'll assign it. Oh, this should be instance editable, so we can override it in the map like this. Okay, and then here WBP map, this map image. So we need a way to change this. So here in this widget, let's say in the on initialize event, let's add a function, check for custom image, and I'll call it here. So all I need to do is check if we have a map manager get actor of class and map manager, and here we can get map image, static map image. If we have a valid image, we can do is valid here, and if yes, get this map image. This is this widget image widget, set brush from texture and use this texture. Okay. And that's pretty much all. Here, go to map. Now you see we have the custom image, and let's do the same treatment for the minimap. Let me copy this, check for custom image, and minimap is here. are at this part, the map material, map image. Okay, we have the same map image. Display icon. Okay, we have the same map image, so okay, replace it here. Wait, why can't I do this? What kind of object is this? Oh, it's a border, that's why. Okay, so set brush from texture. Oh, it's still the same function, but this target was different. That's why we couldn't reconnect it. Okay, now it should. Now we need to call this check for custom image in on initialize. Oh, we already have this. So yeah, we can call it here too. Yeah, see? Now we got the custom image. And yeah, wait a minute. Now this part is not working. So what we did is wrong. Yeah. Okay, so this is the problem. The problem is we can't directly use this because we need to use this material, otherwise the rotation and everything will not work. This, because here we have implemented the rotation, all those things. So here what we need to do is, let's convert this to a parameter, map image. This is an our parameter. Okay, and then go back to Minimap, and here we already have this map material. Okay, so and also we have this too. So let's promote this to a variable. Sure. And do it like this. Yeah. Right. And then I'll do call this function still, but here we don't need to do this part because we already have map manager. Let's just convert this into a validated get. Now instead of doing this, we can get map material, set texture parameter, and the parameter value is this. Parameter name is map image. Why? Didn't work. Why? I think I haven't applied this. Yeah, it's working now, but you see, we get this tiling issue. That's because here I haven't set the, what setting is this? Yeah, this tiling method. Let me clamp. Then we will not get that tiling effect. Let's see. Yes, now it's correct. Right. Now this is black because maybe our edge is black. Yeah, this edge is black. That's why. If I go back to Photoshop, sure, this edge is not black. Just a little bit. Be fine. Now re-import this. Yeah, now we don't have the black edge anymore. Yeah, now it's all blue. Okay, so yeah, that's all I want to cover in this episode. So thanks for watching, and let me know if you have any questions in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's see you in the next episode. Goodbye.